Oh my god, you guys get away from the window. Dude, it's gonna fly.
Look at this. Hang on.
Holy crap, Mom, your garden.
Your garden.
Wait, from the window.
That's fine, man.
Dad, we have to come over here.
Where? Did he go home? Did you tell him when he stayed there? Holy shit.
Oh my goodness.
Dude, we're gonna drain like half the freaking pool.
Ryan, mind your head. Mind your head.
Mom, your garden is flooded like completely.
No, it's not. It's not the planters.
And this over here, it's like a freaking lake.
Where's the regular video camera, Daddy?
It's in Ryan's room. Oh my goodness, we just lost
Like
a couple of inches of water. Look at this over here.
Holy moly,
Look
I've
at
never seen...
Look at the water flowing
And it
over
wasn't
here.
even like hard, it was just like, it
It's just a rolling.
just hit it just right.
Could you imagine if we were in the jacuzzi?
That was so cool! Dude, I should have gone into the jacuzzi, man.
I can't believe how much water we
Guys,
lost.
let's go back in the pool and we'll see if we can catch an aftershock. Let's like have the surfboards.
Still going.
Probably somebody trying to talk.